there. Silly Baby here. We launched Flat Earth Coin July 1st, and we started with a $50 market cap. And now we're all the way at a $1,500 market cap in less than a week. And I wanted to thank you guys personally. Thank you all for all your help. And I wanted to say today's sponsor is sponsored by Tide with the cleaning power of Oxy.
This is Commander X of the Flat Earth Coin. I am announcing a meetup at Yuengling Brewery in Pottsville, Pennsylvania, 17901. The event is to take place August 6, 2022. It's just a brief meet and greet with the creator of Flat Earth Coin, Silly Baby, and we're all gonna go take the Yuengling tour for free and get some beer also for free. Responde, she will play today.